In today's video, I want to show you a new feature of the AMALYZE extension, the ASIN Extractor. As we all know, the sponsored products, sponsored brands and the sponsored display ads are coming with product targeting ads. And so you need to know the ASINs where you want to be shown with your advertised product. And that is really easy if you're using AMALYZE Shield, as you can filter up to 2.8 billions and billions of product all over the world. But to be more focused, we have used a new feature, and you can now extract all the ASINs from the page. They are directly copied, and you can enter them into your Excel or directly into your Amazon advertising campaign sheets. But if you have a deeper look, you can also only copy your organic results or the advertised products, the sponsored products, the sponsored brands, if there are used free banner ads for that. Also the Amazon selected parts like Amazon Choice, top rated from our brands. And of course, you can use the filters if you want to go more into detail with LED stripe lights, for example. Now you can focus on that specific results. You see we are changing directly the widget for it, where you can extract the ASINs. Of course, you can use the filters on the left side for it. Just price points. The extractor will directly show what is able to extract. Okay, that's a really cool feature. I will show you that with robotic vacuum cleaner 2. You see 30 ASINs at all, advertised products, Amazon Select products. Please don't wondering that 9 plus 8 plus 16 isn't 30. Here we are just double checking copied ASINs and erase them. Also 3 plus 6 isn't 8, so one ASIN is doubled in that. And of course, as I've said, you can use each filter you want, and that will be directly live. Okay, if you go through red, you see it in the extension. Number 2, number 3. At the end, we have 6 sponsored products on that page. You see the last one here. No other sponsored ads here. So we are really exact. That's really cool. It's working really easy. Just copy and paste the ASINs into your specific product targeting ads. Enjoy it. Of course, it's really fast. It's focused on the specific parts where ASINs can appear, and you can use the specific filters as you want to find more relevant ASINs to target.